Predict an earthquake. Scientists are still unable to accurately predict an earthquake. Survive an earthquake. Many people manage to survive an earthquake thanks to quick rescue efforts. Set off an earthquake. Some experts believe mining activities can set off an earthquake. Withstand an earthquake. Modern buildings are designed to withstand an earthquake. Earthquakes hit. Several powerful earthquakes hit the region last year. Earthquakes devastate. Earthquakes devastate communities and destroy infrastructure. Earthquakes shake buildings. Strong earthquakes shake buildings and cause panic. Floods cause damage. Floods cause damage to homes and farmland. Floods cut the area off. Floods cut the area off from nearby towns. Floods hit the area. Heavy rains caused floods that hit the area overnight. Floods sweep things away. Sudden floods swept cars and furniture away. Flood damage. The government is assessing the flood damage. Flood victim. Each flood victim received emergency aid. Floodwater. Floodwater entered the houses and ruined furniture.